All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to go ahead and accessorize some more with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and also products from WhiteStone Dome. So I do have the Exudo case here in black, and I also have the Galaxy Z Fold 5 Easy Dome or Dome Glass EA. I always say easy. It's EA. I keep messing that up. It's your man Jay's 2-pack. Let's get this open here. Let's put this on first. Let's see what comes in. How we gonna get this open? Is it gonna be easy for us, or do I got to get out the knife? Let's get out the. Let's cut this open real quick. Let's see if we can get it open real quick like that. We'll pull this out. I mean, right off the rip, the great thing is they have in the package 2 separate kits. Straight up, letting you know this is a 2-pack and you get 2 separate kits. So we're going to use one kit. Put this case aside for a minute. And in this kit, it's pretty straightforward and simple. You've got the glass, and it is protected. The glass is already inside of here, by the way. So it'll go on like this. I like that they have it in this setup right here where you can just pop it on, man. You ain't got to worry about messing up anything. So I do have a tempered glass on here right now, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this tempered glass. Voila. All right. And we're going to go ahead and start with the packet that we need to use, which is this bad boy right here. It's trolling me right now like it's a oh no, I'm not gonna get trolled too much. I'm going straight to the blade. Yeah, we're gonna do it like that. And we're gonna get this open here. They're using like Superman strength plastic. So I'm gonna put these down here. Gonna go ahead and clean this up. Alcohol wipe first. Make sure you get it nice and clean. Get it wet up real good. Then we're gonna dry it off. They give you everything you need in the packaging, so you shouldn't have to buy or purchase anything else. All right. Set that aside. Now they give you a little microfiber cloth. I always kind of shake it off because there's always loose lint and stuff in here. But I'm going to go ahead and hit it with that dust removal tool anyway. All right. And now let's hit it with the dust removal tool, which is basically just a sticker. Hope you guys are having a great day watching me install. I hope you're watching on your Z Fold 5 and you were contemplating getting something, so it brought you to this video, or you just like to watch your favorite YouTuber, Jay Will. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this portion off here. This is the back part of the glass, keeping it down. I always keep it down. And I'm gonna go ahead and position this. It can only go on one way, just like that. So the first thing we're gonna do is slide back and forth, like that. And it'll start to adhere this way, then you go this way. And a lot of times you have to take off the shell. I mean, it's best that you take it off. But this time, let's see how well I did. There might be a few bubbles in there, but don't sweat that because they're gonna come out. I think the fact that they give you a nice cage to do this with is just what it is. Oh, look at that. It's already off. Now, you see any little bubbles or anything, you just push them away. Just like that. And it's nice and clean. Look at that. It's already straightforward to the point. Pop it on. Just like that. Now what I'm gonna do, I normally don't do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop on the camera real quick, the front camera. Because this one has the cutout right there. And you'll see what I'm recording with. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom, there it is. S23 Ultra. Everything looks good. And there it is, folks. Now I got the glass on. how about we protect the backside and the edges? How about we do that? I got to give a quick shout out to my man, Easy Computer Solutions. And I quote, "Who's your daddy?" Great video, Eric. I mean, if you haven't seen that video, man, I'm not even going to spoil it for you. Head over to Easy Computer Solutions and check him out. He's going to tell you who your daddy is. I love it. Who's your daddy? All right, now, this actually comes with a glass in it already. So this is something that they do if you don't want to purchase theirs. I wonder how this is going to play. I don't think this is going to play well. We're going to see, though. I don't think this is going to play well because of how thick it is. We shall see. But if you don't have a tempered glass and you just want to use this particular setup, this is all you need. So let's go here. I don't know, folks. I don't know, WhiteStone Dome. Well, look at that. I guess they got you quadruple covered. Yeah, it's working. Go snap on easy. Wow. Okay. Let's go ahead and put this on. Back. And boom, there it is. Wow. It actually, we got triple coverage here. Look at this. Wow, this is crazy. Yeah. Now you do have a spot in here where it protects the hinge, but unlike some of the other cases like this, no spot for an S Pen. Strange. But super duper, as I get this kickstand revealed here. They're doing it the most. They're doing the most with the kickstand and everything. You will be able to watch a movie with ease. Just like that. Yep. So this is like the ultimate protection here. You see the hinges and everything. And this is going, your phone is definitely protected at this point. There's no getting around. If you drop this phone in this case combination, I feel sorry for the ground. It's your man Jay. If you guys enjoy, links to the purchase of these items are down in the description. See you in the next video. Take care.